stop scrolling. Claude and Higgsfield just teamed up, and this could completely change the way we generate AI videos. I'm talking unlimited video generations from a single prompt, all inside one simple interface. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, from linking your accounts to generating cinematic final results with almost no manual work. Before we jump in, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss future AI workflows, tools, and tutorials. Let's get started. So this right here is Higgsfield, and many of you might already be familiar with it because of its amazing generative capabilities. Just think of it as an all-in-one powerhouse that houses all the AI tools. And when I say all, I truly mean all the AI tools. If you scroll down, you can see they have ChatGPT, Image 2. If you scroll down further, you can see you can also use the marketing feature, which we are going to be making use of in this video. So make sure to stay tuned. You also have Seedance 2. If you scroll down further, you can see you can create images, generate videos, and they have amazing tools like Nano Banana, Kling 3, and many, many more. Trust me when I say that this is truly the best AI tool you can get your hands on. What we're going to focus on in this video is this new feature, which is the MCP that allows you to use Claude to generate content, all connected to your Higgsfield. So all you have to do is click here. You can use Claude, Hermes, OpenClaw, but in today's video, we're going to be using Claude. So just click here on the MCP. You can see all the models you can use right here. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be using Claude. So in order to use this, just head over to your Claude and click right here and head over to Settings. All you have to do now is click on Connectors, and you'll be required to add a custom connector. So just click on here, and you can name it anything. Like, we can name it Higgsfield, just like this. For the link, just head back to Higgsfield, copy this, and paste it in right there. I can toggle and change some advanced settings, but this works as well. Just click on Add, and you can see it has been added right here. All you have to do is click on Connect, and you will be required to agree to connect to your Higgsfield account. So let's click on Allow right here. And now, if you head over to a new chat, click here and see that Higgsfield is a connector right here. Now, to show that it has connected successfully, so make sure you see this right here as I know it's connected. So firstly, we're going to be testing this out, and I have a basic prompt right here which I can just paste in. If you look at the prompts, it says, build me a headphone brand from scratch. I want you to do research. So we're basically telling it to get the product images, get everything about the product, and generate it all from one prompt. And see, there's no image upload. That's to show you that this is a creative powerhouse. All you have to do next is click on Generate right here and give it a minute while it generates. Let's see. It's working on it right here. Honestly, I'm really intrigued to see how well this will perform, because if it works, great, you basically have creative freedom. You can generate content as fast as humanly possible with this method. And not only that, but you also get super high quality with the generations, which is really astonishing. Okay, so our video images are done generating. Let's take a look at them one by one. If you look at the first image, you can see that this did a great job. So this is basically the headset that it made for us. If you scroll down further, you can see this is the white variant of it. This is the blue. This is really good. It even made a banner image for us, and this looks really professional. You can see it has some things about it like how long the battery lasts and the premium quality you get with this. That's to show you how good this is for marketing. I also see this one where the use case is making music. And if you scroll down further, I can see many more good banners you can choose from, but now we have the video that it made for us. So let's play it and take a look.
Okay, I'm obsessed. These Void Audio Void 1 matte black noise canceling headphones are unreal. Super comfy, the silence is instant, and the sound feels huge. If you want focus anywhere, feel everything, hear nothing else.
Honestly, that was truly good. The ad was really nice, no weird morphing, no distortion. But to me, that was really bland. So I'm gonna be making another video ad. Before we do that, let's scroll down and take a look at the second one it made for us.
Okay, these are the Void Audio Void Arc Openbacks in Glacier White. The imaging is insane. I can hear every reverb tail. They're my new mix check. Studio reference redefined.
Honestly, most of these generations don't even look AI at all. They look completely real and natural. I would truly believe that this isn't AI at all. Scroll down, you can see it made one more for us, which you can play right here.
Okay, I've been wearing these Void Drift cobalt blue on-ears all week. They're comfy, the bass hits, and they look clean on the street. If you commute like me, this is it. Your city, your frequency.
Okay, this one is really, really nice. You can click here to download it straight onto your device. You can download it from here, then head back to Claude. So for this, I'm just going to paste in another of my prompts. This prompt is basically telling it to generate a high-quality ad for us for the launch video. So just send this over, and Claude starts processing our request. Just give this a couple of minutes while it generates. Okay, so our marketing video is ready. Let's just take a look at this.
Okay, Void 1 is giving luxury car commercial vibes. Matte black, super clean, plush ear cups. That coral ingress logo, obsessed. It feels like a 2026 launch, Void 1. Arriving 2026, feel everything, hear nothing else.
Okay, that was really, really good. I love how she talked about it while clearly displaying the product, and once again, this doesn't even have an AI feel to it. It feels 100% realistic, but for this, I'm just gonna tell it to use the hypermotion variant with this prompt because I feel it will give a better output. So I'm just gonna send this prompt over. Let's see how it handles this. So just give it a couple of minutes while it generates our video for us. After a couple of minutes of generating, we have our video ready right here. So let's take a look at this. Ooh, okay, that was really, really nice. I'm just gonna play it again. And honestly, I really, really love this. The way the headset is displayed, the way it has some cool lighting effects on it, then he grabs it and puts it on it, all pieces together, and this is truly, truly good. I can click here to download this straight onto my device. Those are the amazing capabilities you get with Claude and the Higgsfield MCP. Do keep in mind, you can also use this with other models like the OpenClaw, Hermes, and Claude, and they all work just as great. But do make sure to check it out. The name of the site is Higgsfield. Just use the guide to link it to your Claude, and you'll be able to generate all in this interface in the same workflow.